Today we have a 2017 Jeep Wrangler. We're going to be installing a piece of glass on the roof of this vehicle. After we remove the headliner, we're going to make a line, or we're going to draw a line around the edge of this roof where we're going to be cutting. It's time to cut the outer part. For this, we're going to trace a line following these guides, and we're going to try to connect it on this point right here. Now what it looks like is like this. Our next step is to paint the interior so that it looks cosmetically more appealing. And then the next step is going to be installing this U-channel molding around the edge of the opening. So this is our top. We have painted it black. After we're done painting, what we're going to do is apply a coat or a couple coats of Sika 207. This is a primer. We're going to apply this to the edge of this roof so that the glass gets attached properly to the surface of this. This right here is our piece of glass we're going to be installing. It's a 1/4 inch tempered glass. It's tinted. We are prepping it. We have applied a primer around the edge of the glass. We have put a molding trim, hopefully you guys can see it, and then we are adding more primer for an additional line of glue right here. All right, we have installed our roof on this vehicle. We are ready to glue the glass in place. Let's check it out. We have the roof all prepped. We apply some primer, and now we're going to run the glue. I'm going to show you guys the final product. Glass is installed. That's what it looks like. right, we are done with the installation of this sunroof glass. Looks pretty neat, actually. It's a lot more light than I thought it would be. Now I noticed that during summer this probably gets a little hot, so I kept the headliner that came with the vehicle, and I'll probably use it like that, cover it during summer. But yeah, we are done. Thank you for watching. This is Auto Glass Express.